Hello students, welcome back. This is for class 4th, subject mathematics, chapter number 3, subtraction, lecture number 2. In this lecture, I shall discuss about properties of subtraction and word problems related to subtraction. Properties of subtraction. First property, subtracting 0. If 0 is subtracted from a number, the difference is the number itself. अगर हम कोई भी नंबर में ज़ीरो सब्ट्रैक्ट करेंगे तो हमारा डिफरेंस वही नंबर आएगा. फॉर एग्ज़ाम्पल 6789 माइनस ज़ीरो इक्वल 6789. सेकेंड प्रॉपर्टी, सब्ट्रैक्टिंग 1. 1 subtracted from a number gives the predecessor of the number. For example, 456 minus 1 equal 455. Third property, subtracting numbers from itself. A number subtracted from itself gives 0 as the difference. अगर हम कोई भी नंबर सब्ट्रैक्ट करते हैं उसी नंबर से तो हमारा आंसर 0 आएगा. फॉर एग्ज़ाम्पल 4583 माइनस 4583 इक्वल 0. फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन नंबर 1, फिल द मिसिंग नंबर्स. ए पार्ट 6178 माइनस डैश इक्वल 6178. आंसर 6178 minus 0 equal 6178, because here we are subtracting. If we are subtracting 0, then the answer will be same, so answer is 0. B part 999 minus 1. Answer that will be 998. C part dash minus 2867 equal 0. Answer 2867 minus 2867 equal 0. The same number we subtract, then answer is 0. So answer is 2867. D part 7693 minus dash equal 0. Answer 7693 minus 7693 equal 0. The same number we will subtract. So the answer is 7693. Next topic, word problems on subtraction. First question, 15,250 bags of cement had to be loaded in a ship. 9,875 bags were loaded on the first day. The rest were loaded on the second day. How many bags of cement were loaded on the second day? Total bags of cement are given 15,250, and on first day 9,875 5 bags are given. So we have to calculate cement bags total on the second day. Answer, first we write the statement. Number of bags to be loaded is 15,250. Number of bags loaded on the first day is 9,875. So number of bags loaded on second day is, we will do subtraction. So this 0 is smaller than 5, so we will borrow from this 5. So this will become 10. To 10 minus 5, 5. Now this we will borrow from 2, so it will be 14. So 14 minus 7, 7. This we will borrow from 5, so it will be 4, and this will be 11. So this is 11 minus 8, 3. We will borrow from this 1, so it will be 14. 14 minus 9, 5. So therefore the number of bags loaded on the second day were 5375 bags. Question number 2. Ganesh wants to buy a Maruti car that cost rupees 2,95,340. He has only rupees 1,67,120 with him. How much more money does he need? गणेश को मारुति कार खरीदनी है जिसकी कॉस्ट 2,95,340 है, बट उसके पास रुपीज़ 1,67,120 है. सो उसको कितनी मनी और चाहिए? आंसर, फर्स्ट वी राइट द स्टेटमेंट. कॉस्ट ऑफ मारुति कार इज रुपीज़ 2,95,340 एंड मनी विद गणेश रुपीज़ 1,67,120. So money needed for him is, so we will do subtraction. 0 minus 0, 0, 4 minus 2, 2, 3 minus 1, 2. Now this 5 is smaller, so we will borrow from 9. It will be 8 and this 5 will be 15. So 15 minus 7, 8. This 8 minus 6, 2. This 2 minus 1, 1. So therefore money needed to buy Maruti car is rupees 1,28,220. Question number 3rd. How much more is 1 lakh than 60,066? Answer. This first we write the 1 lakh, that is 1,0,0,0,0,0, and this second number we will start from last, this 6,6,0,0,6. We will do subtraction. This 0 is smaller than 6, so we will borrow from next number, but this is also 0, so we will borrow from this 1. It will be 0 and this first it will be 10. So this 10 minus 6, 4. This will become automatic 9. So this 9 minus 6, 3. Again 9 minus 0, 9. Again 9 minus 0, 9. Again 9 minus 6, 3. So the answer is 39,934. Number 4. The difference between the two numbers is 5,974 if the greater number is 46,752. What is the smaller number? Answer. Greater number is 46,752 and difference is 5,974. So the smaller number will be, we will do subtraction. Okay, see, this 2 is smaller than 4, so we will borrow from this 5. So it will be 4 and this will be 12. So 12 minus 4, 8. Now we will borrow from this 7. It will be 14. 14 minus 7, 7. This we will borrow from this 6. It will be 5 and this will be 16. So 16 minus 9, 7. This 5 minus 5, 0. This 4 as it is, so 4. So therefore the smaller number is 40,778. Now I will discuss HOTS question number 1. Chavi is having a party and her mother has given her rupees 200. Cost of balloon 56. Cost of cake rupees 62. Cost of toffees packet rupees 20. Cost of tissue paper rupees 45 and cost of coke is rupees 30. A part, can Chavi buy all 5 things? Yes or no? B part, how much money does she need to buy all 5 things? Sir, cost of one packet of balloons is rupees 56. Cost of cake is rupees 62. Cost of one packet of toffees is rupees 20. Cost of one packet of tissue paper is rupees 45 and cost of coke is rupees 30. So first we will find the total cost of all these things. We will do addition. So this 6 plus 2, 8 plus 0, 8 plus 5, 13, 13 plus 0, 13. So this 3 and 1 will be carry. This 1 plus 5, 6 plus 6, 12, 12 plus 2, 14, 14 plus 4, 18 plus 3, 21. A part, no, Chavi cannot buy all the 5 things as Chavi had only just rupees 200. B part, how much more money she need to buy all the 5 things? Money needed to buy all the 5 things is rupees. Total cost, this is 213 minus 200 which she had. So rupees 13. So rupees 13 more needed to buy all these 5 things. Solve the following questions assigned as homework. Exercise 3B, question number 1. Fill the missing numbers. A part, 4647 minus 1 equal dash. B part, 43,252 minus dash equal 0. C part, 200 minus 100 equal dash. D part, 5627 minus 0 equal dash. Question number 2. Find the difference between the greatest 5-digit number and the smallest 5-digit number. Question number 3. The difference between the two numbers is 17,961 if the greater number is 4,12,629. Find the smaller number. Question number 4. 3,48,392 people live in town A and 3,51,462 live in town B. Which town has more people and by how much? Question number 5. Mother Dairy produced 30,000 pouches of milk in one day. It supplied 20,196 a day to various depots. How many pouches were left behind? Question number 6. How much more is 1 lakh than 43,176? Now I will discuss the solution of homework assigned in lecture number 1 of chapter number 3, subtraction. Exercise 3A, question number 1. Find the difference. A part, 91,648 minus 80,137. Answer. First we write the number in columns, that is 9, 1, 6, 4, 8. Second number we will start from last, that is 7, 3, 1, 0, 8. Now we will do subtraction. This 8 minus 7, 1, 4 minus 3, 1, 6 minus 1, 5, 1 minus 0, 1, 9 minus 8, 1. So the answer is 11,511. Now come to B part. 8,40,200 minus 7,35,183. Answer. First we write the number in columns, that is 840,200. Second number we will start from last, that is 381,537. Then we will do subtraction. This 0 is smaller than 3, so we will borrow from next number. This is also 0 smaller, so we will borrow from this 2. It will be 1 and this will become 10. So 10 minus 3, 7. This will become 9. 9 minus 8, 1. This 1 minus 1, 0. Now again this 0 is smaller than 5, so we will borrow from 4. This will be 3 and this will become 10. So this 10 minus 5, 5. 3 minus 3, 0. 8 minus 7, 1. So the answer is 1,05,017. Question number 2. Find the difference. A part, if the minuend is 25,677 and the subtrahend is 12,790. Answer. Minuend is greater number and subtrahend is smaller number. So we will start number in columns, that is 2, 5, 6, 7, 7, and subtrahend we will write then 1, 2, 7, 9, 0. Then we will do subtraction. This 7 minus 0, 7. This 7 is smaller than 9, so we will borrow from 6. It will be 17. 17 minus 9, 8. This will become with 5. So we will borrow from this 5. So it will be 4. It will be 15. So this 15 minus 7, 8. This 4 minus 2, 2. This 2 minus 1, 1. So the difference is 12,887. B part. If the minuend is 9,45,672 and the subtrahend is 7,21,561. Answer. Again we will write numbers in column, that is 9, 4, 5, 6, 7, 2. Second number we will start from last, this 1, 6, 5, 1, 2, 7. Then we will do subtraction. This 2 minus 1, 1, 7 minus 6, 1, 6 minus 5, 1, 5 minus 1, 4, 4 minus 2, 2, 9 minus 7, 2. So the difference is 2,24,111. Question number 3rd. Which number is less? A part. 1,234 less than 9,999. We will do subtraction. So first we write the number in columns, that is 9, 9, 9, 9, and second number we will start from last, that is 4, 3, 2, 1. Then we will do subtraction. This 9 minus 4, 5, 9 minus 3, 6, 9 minus 2, 7, 9 minus 1, 8. So the answer is 8,765. B part. 100 less than 3,273. Answer. First we write the number in columns, that is 3, 2, 7, 3. Second number we will start from last, that is 0, 0, 1. And then we will do subtraction. This 3 minus 0, 3, 7 minus 0, 7, 2 minus 1, 1. This 3 as it is, so 3. The answer is 3,173. Now come to question number 4th. What number must be added to 2,531 to get 62,965? हम 2,531 के अंदर क्या ऐड करें कि हमारा आंसर 62,965 आए? So first we write the number in columns, that is 6, 2, 9, 6, 5, and second number we will start from last, that is 1, 3, 5, 2. Then we will do subtraction. This 5 minus 1, 4, 6 minus 3, 3, 9 minus 5, 4, 2 minus 2, 0, 6 as it is, this 6. So the answer is 60,434. Now come to question number 5th. Subtract 5,912 from the sum of 8,998 and 6,479. So first we will do the sum of 8,998 and 6,479. So first we write the number in columns, that is 8, 9, 9, 8, and second number we will start from last, that is 9, 7, 4, 6. Now do addition. This 8 plus 9, 17, 7, 1 will be carry. 1 plus 9, 10, 10 plus 7, 17, 1 carry. 9 plus 1, 10 plus 4, 14, 4, 1 will be carry. 1 plus 8, 9, plus 6, 15. So now we will do a difference of 15,477 and 5,912. So first we write the number in columns, that is 1, 5, 4, 7, 7, and the second number we will start from last, that is 2, 1, 9, 5. Now we will do subtraction. This 7 minus 2, 5, 7 minus 1, 6, 4, this 4 is smaller than 9, so we will borrow from 5. So this will be 14, So this 14 minus 9, 5. And now we will borrow from this one. It will be 0. This will be 14. Again 14 minus 5, 9. So the answer is 9565. This exercise is over. Thank you. Have a nice day.